This is for your YouTube?
Yes, baby. This will be
Okay,
kept hidden.
Gotcha.
It could be years from now where I can post this.
Okay.
But if you're watching this, you can see by the title of my video that we have come back to Ireland to elope. So we are in Dublin. The last time we were here was 8 years ago. And since then, we have been to like 10 countries. At the beginning of our relationship, we were only traveling like in the US. And I told Josiah that I'm getting tired of the US, and I wanted to travel internationally. You better get a passport. If you get a passport, we can go wherever you want. And he said, I want to go to Ireland. And I was like, Ireland, that was nowhere in my top list of where to go. And I was like, why? And he's like, oh, just the castles. And I was like, okay, that's very strange, because in my mind it was cold, gray. Like the first few days it was okay, and then I don't know what like hit. I don't know what happened, but both of us fell in love with Ireland. And like I said, even though after Ireland we went to 10 different countries, Ireland is still our favorite, and hopefully one day we can settle down here. But yeah, so we are here to elope. We've only told a few people. Damn, we really like look bad. I'm gonna put a picture of when we were here 8 years ago, and then the one we took a few hours ago, and you can see if we aged really badly or not. Oh, and by the way, I brought Bob with us. We adopted Bob when we were here 8 years ago, and he's just been with us. We go through stuffed toys and they're like in the corner, but Bob's the only one who's actually been staying with us in bed for the past 8 years since we got him. And I was like, okay, we definitely need to bring him back to Ireland just so he can see all his other sheep. My outfit of the day. I don't know if people still do that. Dang, it's really dark. Looking like Tomb Raider. That's Joey's outfit of the day.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if people still do that.
Outfit of the day.
So we're off to Powerscourt Waterfall. I forgot the title of that Netflix show. It was something Wink Saga. Anyways, while we were watching it, obviously I was like, oh my gosh, that's such a beautiful waterfall. Where is that? And I looked it up. It's only a 40-minute drive from us, so we're gonna go there first and then stop by other like small cities till we reach Killarney, where we're staying for practically the rest of the trip. I really wanted to vlog yesterday because our friend moved from San Diego to Ireland, and it was just nice seeing someone we knew when we got here, because obviously the last time we were here in Ireland, like, we didn't know anyone. We didn't really talk to a lot of locals the last time we were here. Mostly it's because we were just driving around the country. I feel like seeing our friend was a good start to our week, and I really wish I vlogged it, but I don't know what it is about me and vlogging our trips, but like I never vlog on the first day. Anyways. So now we're heading to Kilkenny, to Lanigan's Pub and Bar. They had the best brownie sundae I've ever had, and obviously it's been like 8 years, so it probably doesn't taste the same, but I still want to try it out again. It's on the way to Killarney. We were driving all the way there just for the brownie sundae that I've ever had.
Looks like it's a glass.
So when I did get that brownie, it wasn't a brownie anymore. It was a cake, and the chocolate syrup was exactly the same. That's what I really love, but it was a cake this time. So that was a little disappointing. It wasn't as good as the brownie and chocolate syrup and ice cream as last time, but it was still there. guys, so this is our cute little room. So this is where we're gonna be staying for the next 4 days. And the host was so sweet. We were like, we're vegetarian, and she's like, okay, I'll make you guys whatever you want in the morning. We're both exhausted, so we're gonna pass out. See you guys tomorrow.
This is the island, it's very beautiful, and you can see the skelly out here from it. Instead of getting the ferry, if you drive down here...
Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. You're so cute. Puppy wants to play.
This is not for you.
You can give puppy some.
Chocolate? No.
Oh, it's yeah. Okay.
Hey there.
Hi, puppy.
It's so furry.
I know. He wants to play. He's like, oh, screw you. Good morning, guys. So we're about to head off to the registrar's office to, would you say register our marriage?
Sure.
Because we're not going to get like the certificate, are we? No?
No idea.
Yeah, we have no idea what's going to happen, but we have to go to the registrar's office first. I'm probably going to come back and then go drive to Dingle where we're getting married. So we just got back from the registrar's office, and that took, what, like 15 minutes? But it took me like, what, a year and a half of all that work back and forth with Lisa, the lady who helped us. And now we're going to Dingle, to the Rahinnane Castle where we're getting married, just to scope it out and just to see how hard it is to walk around, because I'm not sure what shoes to wear with my wedding dress. So many
Show winning our CD high prize competition. Number 2. Number 1.
Maybe. Go inside. Ah, we're gonna have lots of sheep! Oh my gosh! Right there! Please be sheep tomorrow. I mean on Monday. Please. I'm giving good vibes. I'm sure there's a way, baby. We can ask. Ask the tractor guy.
No trespassing.
You can hear the sheep.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Can we
I
pass?
think it's the castle.
You have to go up here. It's €2 each. You have to go up through the steps, up the steps, over that way and up the field. You have to go up through the grass. Are you alright with those shoes?
Fine.
Which one?
We're getting married here on Monday, so we wanted to check it out.
Oh, you get, don't forget about the money. So
Oh, you sure?
yeah. If you get married Monday, we're trying to get someone to come in and cut around the castle. He's cut the field the way you can drive up.
Oh.
Okay.
But you don't own the castle.
Oh,
we
okay.
own the access to the castle. But I presume you'll have a nice fight wrestling. We wouldn't want you tramping up through the woods. Up this way, over that way to the gate, and up the field.
Okay.
Okay?
Right.
Thank you.
Monday.
Okay, see you Monday. that's where we're getting married. I'm probably walking in horse crap. Dang, she's right. She was like, with those shoes? I'm like, yeah, I'm just gonna step in horse crap. Guys, please be here for my wedding. Bye.
Oh, sheep.
Oh my gosh, look at them up there, look at them up there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this makes me so happy. Let's just get married right here.
That's what we're doing.
No, I mean, look at that one, that one.
Just staring. I see him. Hello, sheep.
Is that not Bob staring at us? Oh my gosh, guys, I want their sounds while we're getting married. Oh, there's some more over here. Hi guys. That was a deep That's a perfect photo. Oh my gosh. Babe, get this guy.
Oh, look over there.
I saw them.
Ah, so deep.
I know. Hi, sheeps. Guys, can you please be here when we get married? And just don't leave. Look at all them showing. Of Bob. Oh. Bob right there is just chilling. What sound is that? Look at this guy. His face is just chilling on the side of the castle.
Joey is resting his head.
That's true. That's a cute picture, actually. Where do you think we're gonna do it?
Probably in here.
Like inside?
Yeah, probably.
That's so cool. What?
With all the poo.
I know, I see it. What's up? Those will be all my witnesses. I feel so crazy to see this behind me because we put it off obviously last year because of Corona. It's so pretty. She's going to attack us. Oh god, she's giving like angry eyes. Please don't attack me. I'm vegan. I'm vegan, I don't eat you. Babe, she's gonna attack me. Okay, good. Oh, I thought that was a horse. Okay, she left. Oh no, they're all gonna attack us, baby. They're all staring at us? Oh my gosh, they are. They just popped out of the bushes out of nowhere.
We're herding sheep.
We're herding sheep? Oh my gosh, we are. Where are they going? Oh, those are babies. Mommy is trying to protect them. Are we hurting them? We're not sheepdogs.
Masters or PhD in engineering or science for a flagship facility in
Hi, babies. Do not put fingers in lamb's mouth. Oh, is that why?
Probably. That works. Good.
Yeah, just push that. Yeah. Push it.
Baby. Amazing. Hi. 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 Pet him. Aww.
They're all hiding behind the...
Look at this baby one. So cute. Oh, this reminds me of the game. With the weird fruit limbs. Ooh. Ooh. Where do you want to go? What's the game called with the fruit limb animals things? They have limbs. You need to get them fruit for their limbs.
Oh, bug snack.
Yeah, bug snacks. You don't remember because there's like a cave like this,
Yeah, I know.
and then you like crawl. This reminds me of the other one we went in Ireland last time. Do you know what I'm talking about? Because you'd have to go in through like huts like this, and then you'd go out and find another bug to catch. I think that's empty too. Is it? Does it lead somewhere? He said there was 3.
They said there's one like up there.
Yeah. So our Airbnb host is so sweet. She knows that we're getting married and we were just chilling out here on her lawn. And she just came and gave us Prosecco. So sweet. Good morning, guys. We're on day 4. It is drizzling a little bit, so we're just gonna keep it light today. Probably just walk around the national park. It was a long day yesterday with all the sheep and all the trekking through poop, but it was really fun.
Your poetry and all that. I did an excerpt from Once a Cat. I won! You won! I mean, I did something right.
Did you make a convincing priest?
I did.
Hey guys, so now we're walking to Muckross Abbey, and it's awesome because no one is around. And if you watch any of my vlogs, you know I hate vlogging when people are around. I get really shy. I mean, how pretty is all of this? That would be awesome if we had forests and loud birds in San Diego. And it's awesome because no one's here, and it's been very touristy lately. Touristy lately, like I live here. chose for our wedding to be, but Our wedding planner said that this was still under construction, and that was before Corona. So if we just waited till after Corona, we probably could have booked this. But again, I'm so happy with my decision because there's a bunch of sheep. But yeah, I mean, this would also be such a cool venue.
Put my beard there.
No, here, you do it. Hey guys, so we just realized that we're old as... I feel like 8 years is both short and long because they're like, we remember little things. We remember the waterfall. What did you call it? Water? Oh, the stream? Stream?
That was a stream.
Okay, we remember the stream, and we've been back and forth wondering which house we're at. And we have been at that house, but it was under construction the last time we were here. That's why it looked off. What else, like, did we figure out was off? Do you not talk to the camera? There's so many things, like, it's clicking in our minds.
Just different.
And it's different. I feel like the view looks so much prettier with like people in it. Cause like by itself,
Yeah.
it's pretty. Or you so no, cause it looks better with people in it. Okay, like that, like that's pretty. Talk like this. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. So we're gonna be taking it easy today. We're just gonna go to the shopping street. All we've seen is Turkish barber shops, phone repair shops, Irish gift shops, and again, just like yesterday, today was supposed to be 100% chance of rain, and as you can see, it is nice and sunny. I honestly do believe that we bring San Diego with us when we go to Ireland, because last time, again, it was supposed to be raining our whole trip, and our whole trip it was basically sunny. Even when we had like our Dublin tour guide thing, the guy was like, it's never sunny for 3 days straight like this. And I wanted to be like, well, we're here. And guys, look at all that 100% chance of rain. And these are outfits of the day. Yeah. Hey, essay. You know, you need to do it like this so you look all there. Hey, essay. Yes. Good morning, guys. So we just left our Airbnb. Honestly, that was like the best Airbnb. Our hostess, both of them like were the sweetest, and they had the best pancakes ever. I have no idea what pancakes we've been having in the States because they do not taste like that. So I'm gonna link her B&B down below. And if you're ever in Killarney, just stay there because again, she has the best pancakes. I feel like just her food in general. So we're just gonna go to the waterfall. They're booking. We can't check in until 3. It's 11. Oh, I didn't mention that fig toast. Oh my gosh. Like it's one of the rare mouth orgasms I've ever. No, it was so good. I've never had like fig toast and like I want to go again for brunch. And then tomorrow is our wedding. I'm too old for this.
Butt shots only. Again. That was a good butt shot. That was a good butt shot. I said butt shots only.
Oh.
Those are not cacti. So this is where we live.
This is where our Airbnb we're staring at.
That'd be a good Airbnb.
I would
We could do that. We could do like a natural, like outdoor hiking Airbnb. Make people hike to us in our land. That'd be brilliant.
No.
People would pay for that.
There.
Outdoorsy
Wait,
people.
look at the meeting. Wait, down. See, you can see that guy going there, that guy there meeting. Ooh.
That's the meaning of the waters.
Oh, where?
All these rivers connecting to each
Well,
other.
that's what I'm saying. You can see them merging.
Yeah, that's one little one, but this one, not that.
Okay, it looks very different today. It's not the same as yesterday. It's really.
see that little thing.
I know, that's what I said. Can we go open it? After like 10 years finding this, we finally found it because it's like in the middle of nowhere. Trespassers will be composted. It's in here.
Yeah.
Oh, cute. Oof, I need to pee. Thank you, baby. Oh, cute. Cute. Very cute. Ooh, it's very like cabin-y. Nice, nice, nice. Ooh. The bedroom looks really cute. It's really tall. In my mind, like I thought everything was really short.
Yeah.
Like with the pictures, everything looked like where that cat is. Like all the like cushions and everything, but everything's actually pretty tall. Oh, we have, wait, are those swings? Oh, we have swings.
There's swings?
Yeah, in the back. There's swings on the blue.
Is that part of our land?
I have no idea.
A rope?
I don't know.
Clothesline?
Wow, we got lots of land here, yo. Yep, those are our swings. We can wash clothes and hang them. Babe, come swing with me. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. There's a cow there?
Back there.
I'm gonna hit you, baby. Go.
It's very cute.
It is. Oh, now Joey's happy. Wee! Wee! So of course, literally all my batteries on everything died. My phone, my gimbal, and my camera. But we were moving everything in, and then out of nowhere, Puppy came in. And we were just, I was like, oh my gosh, hi. And Josiah was like, who are you talking to? And then he came out and like, Puppy was there. I'm pretty sure he belongs to the neighbors, even though there are no neighbors. I walked him to the gate and then I guess he went home. But I thought that was the cutest thing. I have no idea how he got in or whose dog this is. He just came. He was like, hi, and he's right here. Baby, they're gonna think we stole you. Yeah, I don't know where you're from. Are you trying to get info on us? Like, who are these neighbors? Guy's not even joking. This guy popped out of nowhere. He just entered the house we were staying. He's like, hey, what's up? So I'm following him home because he's just like, hey, come along with me. So I have no idea where we're going. He's probably showing me around. Hopefully he doesn't bring me to someone who's gonna kill me. But nice to meet you, puppy. Oh, I think he's gonna show me where he lives. Hey guys, if I die, this will be my last video. Is this where you live? Where are you going? Are we gonna say bye? Are we gonna say bye? Puppy, where do you live? This street is closed. Okay, okay. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going, baby? Where do you live? Show me where you live so I feel okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go back because I don't know where you live, buddy. Hi guys. That's your friends?
Damn.
Just staring me down, yo.
It does that.
He does that? Did you name him yet?
No, that's Charlie.
That's Charlie? Did you actually say your vows to
I
them?
did.
Did you?
I did.
Did they like it?
They're cows, so I don't know. I was gonna do it one more time, but Sasha walked up.
Did you guys like his vows? Bob, I know you helped Daddy write his vows. Can you tell me some of them, please?